Greetings everyone, welcome back to Age of Empires 2, with the HD edition with the African Kingdoms campaign with Sundjata. The fourth mission, Blood of the River Bank.
A beast is most dangerous when cornered. Sumanguru was no different. He struck southward into the Kangaba heartland, where he had slaughtered the Mandinka royal family once before. He was rumored to have brought his mystical Balophon with him to summon victory, and jellies were already singing that the battle had been won by the sorcerer before it even began. Sundjata met him by the Niger River at a place called Girina. Loyal Soso and Jollof warriors stood tall, banging their shields and grinning at the soldiers of the Malian alliance. Horses and camels kicked up enough sand to shroud the sun at noon. Sumanguru himself took the field in the dusty twilight, and Sundjata faced him from across the hot expanse. As the armies prepared to charge, the music of a balophon began to flow through the air. The decisive moment was at hand, and all of West Africa awaited the victor.
Sumanguru has brought his Soso warriors to do battle against us. Let us teach this dog how we Mali soldiers fight.
Okay, first we build a marketplace. Just deploy stone. Okay, we have to feed Sumanguru. Hence, Mema and Fakoli might be willing to change sides, but they will ask you to do a couple of things them in return. Be sure ready when agreeing to avoid disappointing them. Be prepared for early attacks. Protect the trade outpost if your enemies destroy it. If your task will be much harder. Your scouts Mali have a small camp set up in the east on the edge of the desert. The Mema Green to the north are vessels of Sumanguru, but might betray him in opportunity arise. The 29th swordsman and a battering ram. Like the Meme, the Fakoli Yellow to the south are also unhappy with the Soso overlords, and will rebel if you give them a chance. They field an army of crossbowmen, light cavalry, and Mangana across the river to the west. Soso Red. The Soso rely on their mighty fortifications and field powerful armies of camels, pikemen, shorter warriors, and siege. Now, I will start scouting. Let's see. Shall we? Run forward. We got a market, blacksmith, buy stone, 2 villagers, make a castle here. Rest of you, go get us some stuff, such as that.
There is very little wood in this region. The only way we can get more is by transporting it over the river. But the river is guarded by Soso towers. We should destroy all 5 of them.
We are gonna change that, don't worry. In the meanwhile, we'll increase our economy slowly, one by one. I see stone already.
Bayabala. 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 Nungalo de tela.
Now, murder holes also researched. We're gonna be safe. Damn it. Great. Some warriors.
Bayabala. Bayabala.
The fuck? Right. Just make some more villages. And more.
Io ngafamo. Aiwa, ngafamo. Io veo che la sai sai. Ngafamo. Veo che la sai sai. Veo che la sai sai. Aiwa.
Nungalo de tela. Bayabala. 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 Bayabala.
I'm making fortifications. That was, yeah, weird, but yeah.
Bayabala.
Food. We need food. Alright. Yeah, we have to defeat some Manguru. Optional towers, yeah, right. Come on. Hurry up. Just kill these bastards.
Io ngafamo.
Right. Oops. Food. Villager.
Inci
Another
ngafamo.
woman.
Chico ngafamo. Io.
Any idol? No. Good. More.
Inci. Aiwa. Veo che la sai sai. Veo che medusiana. Chico. Aiwa, medusiana.
Paisa Nudunziala.
Aiwa, ninagatitele. Ninagatitele.
Paisa Nungalo de tela.
Na benna. Ninagatitele. Ninagatitele.
Nungalo de tela.
Veo che la sai sai. Ninagatitele. من غتتين انتي io veo che la sai.
Okay. I see some social warriors coming at me, but they won't have any chance.
Veo che la
Yeah.
sai.
ننقل دتلا
Cut it down, come on.
أيوة ننقل دتلا
Also, this wood over here. Right. Now I can start a new place where we can
Veo
cut
che
wood.
من غتتين
And that's here.
أيوة نقف أبو ندم زيالة إيو ندم زيالة
Hurry up, people. Oh, fuck. 150 food and wood.
Veo che la sai. Veo che la sai. Chicken aiwa. Chicken ngafano. Io.
جكا إيو أيوة
Inci ngafano. Inci aiwa.
إنتي نقل دتلا
Aiwa. Io ngafano.
Adam, more wood.
نقف أبو
Give it.
سيي ننقل دتلا ننقل دتلا ننقل دتلا ننقل دتلا ننقل دتلا إيو ننقل دتلا
Nearly can, I can nearly age up. Right, let's just make some villages, send them towards this position. Hurry up.
Chicken ngafano.
Our defenses won't hold for a very long time.
إيو سيي ندم زيالة بايا بلا
This seems suitable. Okay, 2 more Gabetto warriors. Another 2 more.
نقف أبو
Send these guys towards this
Aiwa.
position. Screw off. Cause why? We're gonna get a stone.
Io.
نقف أبو بايا بلا نقف أبو سيي ندم زيالة
Una benna. Io. Veo che la sai. Reduziala.
Great. Good. What do we need for this? 200 food and alright. Good. Nice. We got a nice economy. We're gonna
Aiwa,
fuck
io.
them up. Faggots. Right. Hurry up with your stone gathering, guys. Okay, we're advancing to the Imperial slowly.
Chicken ngafano. Io.
Fall back. Go.
Ngafamo. Ngafamo. Aiwa. Veo. Io. Ngafamo. Ngafamo. Veo che la sai.
Great. We have done it.
Ngafamo.
400. Oh, fuck, man.
Ngafamo.
Ayo. Abu. Bayabala.
Barboa.
Nudum Ziala. Say. Check out. Nudum Ziala.
Dead. 400 food, 400 wood. Nearly done.
Veo que la sai.
We can soon create another castle. That's the good thing. Oh.
Io. Veo que la sai. Ngafamo.
Ah. And research. 300 food. Oh yeah, bitch. Get wrecked. And how much? 150 gold. Damn it. Who's this guy? Who's attacking us? Ah, there. It's green attacking us.
Io. Veo que la sai. Io. Aiwa. Veo que la sai. Ngafamo. Aiwa. Veo que la sai. Aiwa. Veo que la sai. Ngafamo.
They have no chance against me with that small army.
Io.
Huh? 300 food, 600 gold. Great. We do have plenty of wood. Stone.
Bayabala.
Aiwa. Ninratetele. Veo que la sai. Ninratetele. Veo que la sai. Barboa. Ninratetele. Veo que la sai. Ninratetele. Metama.
Thousand fine arches, blah blah blah. Okay.
Ngafamo.
Great Sundjata, we want to throw off this yoke, but cannot do so as Sumanguru keeps my daughter hostage. Say her, and we will fight for you.
Io. Aiwa. Veo que la sai. Aiwa. Io. Ninratetele. Veo que la sai. Barboa.
Another castle. Sell this. Ooh. Damn it.
Aiwa. Medusiana.
Say. Nudum Ziala.
We have grown tired of Samanguru and will join your side,
Say.
O mighty Sundjata, for the mere
Bayabala.
sum of 1,000 gold.
Aiwa. Ngafamo. Veo que la
Damn it.
sai.
Lost a lot of troops now. Great.
Io. Duziala.
Nudumziala. Nudumziala.
Oh wait, I had enough. Fuck, I was blind. 300 food, 200 wood.
Io veo che la sai. Enci. Veo che la sai. Enci.
Fools. Anyway, hello.
Bad boy. Aiwa. Umadra.
Fuck!
Sayi. Sayi sayi. Bayabala.
Najama. Bad boy. Io. Chico. Enchi. Io.
We need to bring 100 wood and gold to that guy. We should start to save up. Slowly.
Najama.
City Mall Almere is het
Oh fuck.
Io. Io. Aiwa. Io. Io.
Stupid ads.
Io. Aiwa. Io. Veo che la sai. Veo che la sai. Aiwa. Ngafamo.
Nice, knights are dead.
Ngafamo. Veo che la sai. Io. Aiwa. Io. Veo che la sai. Aiwa. Veo che la sai. Io. Veo che la sai. Io. Aiwa.
Fall back, fall back, fall back, fall fucking back. I fucking saw a fucking big fucking army.
Enchi.
Did I? Did not. I'm fucking scared. I'm gonna piss in my pants.
Aiwa.
Yep,
Aiwa.
here they come.
Navenna. Aiwa. Aiwa. Ngafamo. Veo che la sai sai. Veo che la sai sai. Io. Aiwa. Io. Aiwa. Ngafamo. Io. Ngafamo. Io.
Oh, save, god damn it. Get away, you fool. Right. Now, who was it? We need to send 100 gold. Yes, we need to save his daughter, blah blah blah. 100 gold to Fakoli. Fakoli, hello. I like you. Here you go. I'm very friendly.
Thank you for the gold. Now, if you build a castle in our town, we will honor our agreement. You have 10 minutes.
You have 10 minutes. Oh, fuck you. Really? Fucking you. Yeah. Ah, fuck, man. You destroyed my shit. Right.
Aiwa. Nandun si Ala.
Food.
Nandun si Ala.
Are the villagers? Yes. Fuck you. Go fuck your bum hole. Your mother up her bum hole. Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Io ci veo che la sai. Aiwa. Inci.
Send men to protect us. Wait, we need to build a castle and flag the area of the town in 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes should be built. 300 food to wait, wood. Architect. There. Whew, we're safe. Get in.
We knew we could trust you, Sundjata. Our spears and swords are yours.
That is very great. I have now more allies. We will be able to kill these goddamn
Bayabala.
enemies. They have no
Aiwa.
fucking chance anymore.
Nandun si Ala. Nandun si Ala.
Ngafamo. Io. Veo che la sai.
They're gonna die. I'm very strong now. Are the villagers? No. Good. Right. From now on, Sumanguru will die.
Veo che la sai.
Hmm.
Io.
Ah, fuck, I forgot. I wanted to do the reduced trail. Blah, blah, blah. Don't know. Ah, yeah, there.
Io. Veo che la sai. Io. Gafamo. Aiwa. Chico, gafamo. Veo che la sai. Gafamo. Io. Aiwa. Io. Veo che la sai. Veo che la sai. Aiwa. Veo che la sai. Veo che la sai. Aiwa. Io. Gafamo. Veo che la sai. Io. Aiwa. Gafamo. Aiwa. Veo che la sai. Io. Gafamo. Io. Gafamo. Gafamo. Veo che la sai. Io. Veo che la sai. Veo che la sai. Na benna. Gafamo.
That's one.
Io. Aiwa. Na benna. Aiwa. Veo che la sai. Aiwa. Veo che la sai. Io. Veo che la sai. Gafamo. Veo che la sai. Aiwa. Gafamo. Io. Gafamo. Gafamo. Io. Io. Veo che la sai. Na benna. Na benna. Aiwa. Na benna. Aiwa. Aiwa. Io. Veo che la sai. Gafamo. Sai.
Goodbye. Quickly, we have to withdraw and destroy that one.
Veo che la sai. Gafamo. Aiwa. Veo che la sai. Aiwa. Io. Veo che la sai. Aiwa. Veo che la sai. Aiwa. Na bene. Veo che la sai. Io, ngafamo. Veo che la sai sai. Ngafamo. Aiwa. Veo che la sai sai. Ngafamo. Io, aiwa. Aiwa. Veo che la sai sai. Io, ngafamo. Ngafamo. Io, ngafamo. Veo che la sai sai. Inci, ngafamo. Veo che la sai sai. Veo che la sai sai. Veo che la sai sai. Ngafamo. Io. Veo che la sai sai.
Good.
Excellent. All towers have been destroyed. Now, all we have to do is protect the trade ships when they arrive.
First of all, I don't even have a dockyard, fuck's sake. Well, actually, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Let's just fall back, actually. No, just open this gate thingy. Here we go. Good. Now that's finished. We should be able to march out through here.
Io.
Ngafamo.
A lot of idle villages, I see.
Aiwa. Nungulodetela. Bayabala.
Veo che la sai. Ngafamo. Ninratetele. Barbara.
Inci.
Ngafamo. Barbara. Io. Aiwa. Io. Veo che la sai sai. Aiwa. Io. Aiwa. Veo che la sai sai. Veo. Ngafamo. Veo che la sai sai. Io.
Any more? Yes,
Io.
obviously.
Ninratetele.
Well, we nearly finished everything up. There's nearly no resources left anyway. Well, in this land then.
Aiwa. Io. Ngafamo. Aiwa. Ngafamo. Ngafamo.
Fresh new troops.
Io. Io.
Sending more reinforcements.
Great leader, we believe we can double the load capacity of our transport ships for a small cost. Send us 2,500 food and we will make it happen.
Wait, what? Lol.
Chico. Veo che la sai sai. Io. Ngafamo. 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 Veo che la sai sai. Veo che la sai sai. Io. Aiwa. Ngafamo. Io. Aiwa. Veo che la sai sai. Ngafamo. Veo che la sai sai. Aiwa. Inci. Io. Veo che la sai sai. Io gafamo. Veo che la sai sai. Chico. Aiwa. Io.
Trade ship spotted to the south.
Sai sai. Na bella. Gafamo. Aiwa. Io. Veo che la sai sai. Io. Enci. Gafamo. Aiwa. Io. Aiwa. Veo che la sai. Chico. Gafamo. Io. Aiwa. Io. Gafamo. Aiwa. Gafamo. Io. Aiwa.
Hai.
Chica. Ngafabu. Nundun ziala. Inchi. Nundun ziala.
Enci. Io. Gafamo. Io la sai sai. Chico. Gafamo. Aiwa. Aiwa. Chico. Aiwa. Aiwa. Gafamo. Aiwa. Io. Veo che la gafamo. Gafamo. Io. Aiwa. Enci. Veo che la sai sai. Veo che la sai sai. Enci. Enci. Veo che la sai. Io. Aiwa. Veo che la sai sai. Io.
Na bene.
Aiwa. Aiwa.
My precious daughter is back. You have made me a very happy man. We are with you, Sundjata.
Na bene. Aiwa. Veo che la sai sai. Chico. Na bene. Enci. Chico. Na bene. Chico. Io. Chico. Enci. 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 Io. Enci.
I am very grateful that you have saved me, Sundjata. In return, I want to offer you the help of my warrior sisters.
Enci.
Great. Oh my.
Gafamo. Gafamo. Io. Gafamo. Io. Gafamo. Io.
Trade ship spotted to the south.
Gafamo. Gafamo.
Holy motherfucker, man.
Veo che la sai.
How much food did he need? 250.
Veo che la
Great.
sai. Gafamo. Bravo.
Sei. Baya bela.
I can just fucking send all my men no matter what. Holy shit. I don't need resources. I'm strong enough. To who did I need overpay to double load capacity? The Malayan trader. Right. There.
Thank you. Our preparations are done, and we will now get double the lumber.
Veo che la sai sai. Io. 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 Aiwa. Gafano. Aiwa. Io. Io. Veo che la sai sai. Gafano. Io. Aiwa. Gafano. Io. Aiwa. Io. Aiwa. Chico. Veo che la sai sai. Gafano. Aiwa. Veo che la sai sai. Veo che la sai sai. Io. Gafamo. Aiwa. 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 Gafamo. Io. Aiwa. Io. Io. Io.
Trade ships spotted to the south.
Io. Veo che la sai sai. Io. 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 Chicum. Io.
Look at all these women running. Like, we have enough warriors, we don't need to do anything, like, we just can't charge like nothing else.
Io. Enti. Gafamo. Aiwa. Gafamo.
Look at this invasion force.
Sundjata.
Out of think he has survived anyway, so.
Io. Aiwa. Ngafamo. Ngafamo. Io. Aiwa. Ngafamo.
Sumanguru, you are dead. You got nothing left. You really are dead.
Veo che la sai sai. Io. Ngafamo. Io. Veo che la sai sai. Veo che la sai sai. Io.
You should be dead already.
The Sosa have been utterly beaten, and Sumangaru is on the run. We are victorious.
Finally. Oh, fuck. God damn it. Those women were so strong. Holy shit.
The armies crashed against each other. They buckled and wrenched, bristling serpents coiling and riding amidst the clamor of weapons and rumble of hooves. Many times the Malian soldiers faltered, but at the critical moment, Sundjata would ride across the lines to rally his men, inspiring them to push on and prevail. At long last, the Soso onslaught slowed and their resolve began to fade. Sensing that the tide had turned, Sumanguru abandoned his men and fled into the mountains. At the sight of their leader in flight, the exhausted Soso lines collapsed. The ensuing celebrations lasted for days, with feasts of such bounty as were not seen before nor ever since. All the kings of the coalition gathered to proclaim Sundjata their Mansa, the king of kings. Mali had an empire, and Sundjata its emperor.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go for the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Share it and link it to a friend. And don't forget, if you would like to recommend something or you would like to play something together, write them down in the comments box below and add me on Steam and we could have a conversation about it. And I will see you guys later.